Ooh. Casey, look. Where'd I go?
Oh, Mackenzie, you disappeared!
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Well, you know that movie won lots of awards, right? Oh, it's the chef of the community house. I've got to get this. Hey, are y'all all ready for the ACC Chili Cook Off this year? Really? Well, that's a really important ingredient to be missing. Okay, I'll get on it.
Casey? Might the missing ingredient be an oversized red hot chili pepper?
Whoopsie! Gotta run! Warm up with a bowl of chili during the 31st Annual Downtown Development Association's annual ACC Chili Cook Off, presented by Farm Bureau Insurance, Friday, March 7th, from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the Morganton Community House. For just $10, enjoy all-you-can-eat chili, cornbread, salad, dessert, and drink. Tickets available now at the Morganton Main Street office. Or at the door on March 7th. So for a bite of chili, ACC basketball, a whole lot of fun, and more information, call 828-438-5252 or visit downtownmorganton.com.